In this video, we've put together reviews of top 5 AUX cables available right now. AUX cables allow you to accomplish such tasks as plugging in your favorite set of wired headphones or connecting your smartphone or media player to a set of speakers or your car stereo system. Check the links description below. Okay, let's get started with the video. Starting of our list at number 5 is the Anker 3.5mm premium auxiliary audio cable. Our best choice for this review is this 4 feet long AUX cable with a reinforced aramid fiber means peerless durability. It is no surprise that this Anker 3.5mm premium auxiliary audio cable is from a global leader in charging and audio connectors, Anker. A blend of innovation and quality has proven Anker to be a trusted brand over the years. This product comes in black color, and it is made from quality polyvinyl chloride material. Added to enhance its durability is a gold coating on both of its 3.5mm connectors, to give consummate conduction and strength to the connectors. It has a sleek design which makes it easily mobile to be used with all devices, stereos, and speakers with 3.5mm audio jacks. Be it in your car, your headset, or with your mobile phone and other music players, this cable will work fine. Its output is nothing but a premium sound quality. It is a plug-and-play cable and requires no added software to use. At number 4 is the Syncwire auxiliary cable. If you're on the lookout for a dependable auxiliary cable and have device compatibility as your most significant consideration, then the Syncwire auxiliary cable is one to consider. At 3.3 feet, this cable is the most portable on our list and perfect for playing audio in a car. The Syncwire also has universal compatibility and can work with any device with a 3.5mm AUX port. The Syncwire cable is not left out of the 24K gold-plated connector trend. The dual shielding on the cable adds an extra layer of protection to prevent interference and static. The cable is encased in polished aluminum that greatly enhances sound quality, and its enameled copper wires transmit sounds from your music player to your car stereo or speaker flawlessly. It also features an ultra-durable design with a bulletproof filler and nylon braided jacket that allows for more than 15,000 in and out motions and keeps the cable tangle-free. Top 3 at our list is the KabelDirekt Pro Series 6 feet 3.5mm audio AUX cord. Do you want a never-ending music experience? KabelDirekt has you covered with its KabelDirekt 6 feet audio AUX cord. It is designed with the flexibility to provide ease of use across a wide range of devices. Connect your smartphone, tablet, MP3 player, car stereo, laptop, and any other audio 3.5mm playing device. It provides a straightforward connection mechanism that allows you to set up and enjoy real good sound on the go. AUX audio jacks do not remain in the port of the connected devices for an extended period. Instead, the rational use of an AUX cable will iterate from phone to headset connection, phone to car stereo connection, or music player to output speaker connection, among others. Due to this, the constant inserting and removal of the jack end to and from the different devices may easily cause the jack connectors to wear off and malfunction. But the good news is that this isn't the case with this KabelDirekt audio AUX cord. Moving up at number 2 is the CableCreation auxiliary cable. If you are in the market for a sturdy, basic, and affordable O2 aux cable, look no further than the CableCreation auxiliary cable. The cord retails at a giveaway price and works amazingly to connect your 3.5mm devices. This versatile auxiliary cable comes with universal compatibility. It's suitable for Apple products, Samsung Galaxy smartphones and tablets, Google Nexus smartphones and tablets, Nokia Lumia products, and most Android phones. The CableCreation auxiliary cable is well designed with a classy feel to it. It comes with a high-end metal casing, 24K gold-plated connectors, and dual shielding to minimize signal loss, prevent corrosion, and ensure longevity. This AUX cable also features a tangle-free design, so you don't keep having to untangle your cord if you use it often. One pretty cool feature that comes with this is the ease of connection. And at number 1 is the DuKabel auxiliary cable. The DuKabel auxiliary cable is quite stunning, thanks in no small part to its 24K gold-plated contacts and triple shielding jacket. It is one of the more tasteful audio cables in the market, but we didn't add it to our list because of its looks alone. This 3.5mm AUX cord is durable with a pure metal casing, a sturdy nylon braided cover, and an oxygen-free copper core. You also get the satisfaction of high-definition sound quality when you connect electronic devices like your PC, phone, tablet, and more. Like the CableCreation cord, the DuKabel O is universally compatible. You can use them on devices like portable speakers, smartphones, laptops, tablets, MP3 players, car radios, and others. As long as the device has a 3.5mm port, you can connect this baby. It's sold in 3 different lengths of 4, 8, and 16 feet depending on preference. The cord is designed for a perfect fit and has a step-down ring feature. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.